olive oil.
Okay amount.
All of it.
Mommy, why don't we just wash these? And this. One more. Just. Second.
Okay.
Third.
No, third. Just 3.
What?
This is good.
Okay. Do we add this one?
I'm gonna add just a little layer of cheese.
Now we add this. What's your shirt? Put it now.
Good. That's the thinnest one. Okay. Good? Now, this one. This one. This one.
I want.
I need some over the top.
Refill. Oh no. Is this the top? You have to add the rest. What? Cheese.
Okay.
That's for butter.
Here is our lasagna. We're gonna bake it in the oven for, I think, around 15 minutes. Wow.
I want to try it.
Falls apart.
Is it?
Mm. Ah.